Hello and welcome to IGT Tech College. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix any phone damaged by water, and the second, how to fix backlight problem. This Tecno 353, it doesn't have backlight in it display, so we're gonna solve two problems. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified when new video uploaded. As usual, I am Mr. Seth, so watch video till the end. You will understand these two methods. As you see, the pins of screen is damaged by water. You see? So also we shall need to check here on the button. Battery rate first clean here. We're gonna use petrol. I don't know what do you use in your country. You can tell us in the comment, but for me I'm using petrol. So as you see, all pins not damaged, but some of them is damaged. So let us try to put the battery. After insert the battery, you see no challenge. So we're gonna also check here on buttons because the phone has dropped into many water. You see here, we gonna remove this carpet paper. Can you tell us in the comment how you call it? So we're gonna clean also here. Clean. First remove it. So we're gonna clean. Clean, okay. As you see, is cleaned, so we're gonna check if there is a challenge. The first step was to solve water damaged issues. So you see the keyboard is working. Keypad is working, but there is no light in the screen. You see, no light in display. So meaning we go in the second method to solve backlight issues. This method, which I'm gonna be showing you, will work in different mobile phones. You see there is a light there. You see, so we need to fix everything so that the display may work perfectly. So watch video till end. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share to your friend, tell us in the comment what is your country. So as you see here, we're gonna solve backlight issues. This display is 17. So remember to download our app, IGT network app, to stop high MB's consumption issues. This app is very powerful if you want to control your MBs or your Wi-Fi bundles. So go on Play Store, search for IGT network, and then download. Click on setting icon. You will get guidance on how to use this application. So let us continue. We're gonna first check if we can fix that display without jumping. But the last step is jumping with wire. So let us first try. Let us try first. Watch till end. Let us continue clean here. I'm using hot gun or soldering gun with soldering wire. So let us try our best. If you want advanced security in your smartphone, go on Play Store and download IGT Security for Smartphone. This app is all in one, full with advanced features for security, to scan links, to scan apps, everything. You download the application, you will thank me later. So let us wait a little bit. As you see, we're gonna clean. Okay, let us check. As you see, there is pins which still damaged. Those pin is causing no backlight problem in this screen. So we're gonna solve about no backlight. Let me believe that you got it. Let us try to turn on. You see, no challenges. So we're gonna do next step. Next step is jumping. To get where to jump wire, we need first to test here. Remove that. Yes. Then we're gonna search where is light, so that we may connect light in this display. Try on pin number 5. From right here, you're gonna to pin number 5. You see? Wow, here there is light. You see? So we're gonna jump a wire from here and here. You see, 1 2 3 4 5. That's number 5. You see? So we're gonna do jumping. This method will work in different mobile phones, not only this. From 16 number, start 1 2 3 4 5 here. Then you will connect to a positive. Have you got positive light? So let us do this step. Positive is here. Then search on pin 5 or pin 4 from 16, that number. See here? So we're gonna scroll here this way. You see, this way. This way is the way of light. So we're gonna try. Alright, try. We're gonna try it. You see, we're gonna scroll here. So do it careful. Do it careful. After this, we're gonna jump a wire from this line to net to light papers on positive. As you see, let's try. So mean that you must have a jumping wire, but don't worry, if you don't have it, you can even use a ordinary wire. It can work. As you see here, this is soldering wire. You see, then we need jumping wire. Watch careful. Yes, don't use too much soldering wire here, so that you may not cause a short. So it's easy. You can do it. You can do it also. Just follow my guidance. As you see here, I have jumping wire. Any wire can work. It depends on your knowledge. So we're gonna fix everything here. Try. So we're gonna jump with this wire. Let me show you how easily. Okay. So let us jump here. Light system to pin 11. You see, to pin 11. That's pin 11 from the left, from right is pin 5. You see here? So that is how. So we're gonna cut that wire and see the result. This method will work, as I told you, in different mobile phones, not only on Airtel, but also in Tecno, Airtel 2160, Airtel 2163, and so on. So as you see, we have enough light in display. You see? Yeah, that's okay. So let's first cut that wire. We're gonna cut wire. Okay. Let me try to zoom here. As you see, everything is well. So watch video till end. So let us try to power on again. You see, everything is okay. This method will work in different mobile phones. So let us finishing the step. Let us do quickly. Let us finish. So as you see, everything has solved successfully. Our screen have enough light. So this method is powerful. Always try this method before you do anything else. So you can join our group for technicians worldwide. Just give us your WhatsApp number on comment, then we add you in our group. So let me believe that this video is helpful. So make sure you click on the subscribe button and sharing, use your number so that we may add you in group. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.